Hi, so today we are going to talk about using social media to improve business. Just a few things that you can do to help grow your business with the social media and just some tips and tricks about it. There's many different forums. There's Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. So lots of places that you can go to, get involved with the community around you and also not so close to you. So one of the things that's going to help with is building relationships with those that you might not originally, have been in contact with. Improve communication and promote products and services. So in the hair industry, there's lots of videos about how to do certain haircuts or how to help improve your communication with your client while they're in the chair. So on LinkedIn, the article 5 Benefits of Using Social Media, one of the things they say is social media gives you an opportunity to talk about what you know and what you want to be known for. So share your knowledge. If there's a certain product that you really believe in, share that information with those people. It's going to help grow the community that follows you, and it's going to help them build trust in either your business or your trade. So anything really that you kind of want to educate those people on that. So like I said, it's going to help you grow your business. It's going to help you get your name out there to people that might not have ever heard of you if you weren't on social media. I'm friends with somebody out in California who I would have never known had he not started posting videos about different cuts and stuff like that. Learn from your mistakes. So as you're sharing your knowledge on the internet, there's going to be things that people like and they dislike, and that gives you a chance to reflect on your business and to grow on that. So is it something that maybe you should change, or is it something that maybe you could add in to maybe enhance your social media? So 9 out of 10 US companies are already using social media and they're already seeing concrete results. 90% of businesses see increased exposure and more than half report improved sales from social media. This was from Fortune.com, Why Businesses Can't Survive without social media. And um, this is a big difference. Like I said earlier, it really helps allow your business to get out and to meet different people that you wouldn't have. So that's more communication, with them that is going to help bring business to you. So 2 billion people are on social media. That's just, a huge amount of people, and that you're going to get your information too. When we're looking at all of this, you really just want to make sure that you're out there and you're being involved with everybody in the social media community. So when you're posting things, just make sure that you're sharing that knowledge and sharing to your best ability, and then communicating with people and talking with them to help build that trust and that engagement with the community that you have. And just don't be worried to get out there and do it. Have a good rest of your day.